Alrighty, good morning traders, good morning, and welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show, and good morning Cameron to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. Alright traders, we're going to go ahead and get the show on the road. We're going to go ahead and take a look and see what the market's doing. Euro is certainly climbing as we spoke about it yesterday. So we've seen some rally in the Euro. We did place some trades yesterday and we did see some profits being taken. We had quite a few positions in on the Euro. That paid out yesterday as well. We're going to go ahead and continue to look for trade opportunities this morning. And all we're doing is looking for that 20 pip net profit. And again, traders, if you hear my voice, I'm struggling for some reason, I'm struggling with my voice, and it's going on for the second day coming right now, actually third day. So just bear with me if you don't mind, and we're going to go into some trade opportunities right now. See you right after this break. All right, welcome traders, or welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. And this show is normally not like this. Normally I got a very strong and very powerful, manly voice. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look, see what's going on with the market this morning. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you may want to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and subscribe to two channels: the FxBigDog Trading channel and, of course, the Traders Network channel. We're going to be broadcasting both of the channels. You definitely want to get involved in that. And we're going to have some great content just like we have in here in this channel. We're going to get in this show. We're going to have, of course, more of these taking place. In fact, Cameron's going to be doing a regular session based on these trades that we're doing right now. We're busy working on the details to see what we can present and get out there. So make sure you guys are subscribed. We're definitely going to go ahead and have some great content. Now, I don't know if you guys are watching the old season and the NFT shows that Cameron's running. Is great content. Even if you're not investing in cryptos or NFTs and that, it's definitely something you need to go ahead and watch, because that is going to be the future. I'm telling you right now, NFTs and cryptos are things that you need to get more involved in. And not just that, we're also working on the details. We're actually going to go ahead and start a trading session in cryptos. And so it's going to be, and Cameron's doing exceptionally well in the crypto field right now, especially on the trade opportunities that it's presenting. You may want to check it out. Get used to that, my friends. Get involved. Take a look at it. Even if you don't understand it at first, get more involved in that, because it's going to take off. All right. And it's going to be something you're going to be doing on a regular basis. Now, down in the description down below, there's a lot of details there that you want to go ahead and check out. Firstly, of course, we've got our trade replica. You want to go check that out. We've got our results from last year. Last year, we made 153% in our trading. Check it out. Check out the tools that we use, also in the description down below. Specifically, the Pip Grabber Trading Tool is what we use here in the session. And then when you subscribe and become a member of our starter membership, you not only get the access to this tool, but you also get all the signals out that I trade, and it's about 155 to 170 trades a month. You will get trade signals that you can follow just like I'm doing here today. So this is just a glimpse of what you can get, but you can get this every single day, all day long. And this is a great opportunity for you to grow your account, stay in control, and to be able to manage your money. Now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what trade opportunity is taking place this morning. But before we do that, don't forget, go ahead and smash that like button. All right, go smash the like button and comment on the video as well. Go ahead and comment on the video, post some stuff on the video. Let us know how we're doing so we can continue to do this on a regular basis. So with that being said, welcome everyone, and thank you for coming. So here is the trades that we've placed yesterday. We've only got one trade left, and that is on the CAD Swiss. And if I go to the trades that we had placed yesterday, let's go take a look over here and see what actually paid off. And here's the history on just what's paid off just recently. We did have, of course, a trade on the US dollar CAD as well. That paid off, so we've taken profit on the US dollar CAD. We've taken profit on the Aussie CAD as well. We took profit on the New Zealand CAD. And you can see there are a whole bunch of Euro trades that we went ahead and closed off as well. So we are closing off with profits, are taking profits, and you can see right here, we're now seeing we're currently now seeing the CAD Swiss that we placed yesterday starting to move towards its target as well. So I hope everyone is doing well. Remember, this is not a show that we state that you got to and have to follow. This is just giving you an indication of what you can get if you choose to become a starter member, and you can follow this, or even a professional membership has these trade opportunities. You must check out our description below, or even go into our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check it out. It's got great stuff there that you can go ahead and get connected with. Now, do me a favor. Let's go take a look. Let's take a moment and take a look at the market. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into, let's go take a look at, I'm not going to look at the Swiss, the CAD Swiss, because we currently are in that position. And give me a second here. I'm going to go ahead and put my air on. It might be a little noisy, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on because I'm starting to feel really hot right now. So let's go take a look at right here. And Cheryl says they're up over 300 pips this week on just the Pip Grabber. Well, there you go. There you go. Cameron, I don't know if you posted that, but post it again if you don't mind. Go ahead and share that. Cheryl made over 300 pips this week alone on the Pip Grabber. This is the reasons why you guys need to get the starter member. Check out our website. Check out the starter member. It's a really good start. It's $7 start off. But you can check it out. It is really worth looking at. Now, let's go ahead and take a look and see the trade opportunities. And I'm going to skip the the CAD Swiss for right now because we're already in a trade. But I'm looking at the Aussie CAD. And traders, it is no surprise to us that we are starting to see the market here on the 1 hour starting to show some bearish sell-off right here on the Aussie. In fact, we may have missed out on an opportunity this morning because the market from the highs already moved 25 pips. Let me see what it looks like on the 15. Yeah, it's already moved 25 pips down. And the 50 minutes is going to get you an overbought condition right here. So I'm not saying that there's not 20 pips left in the market right here. I'm just saying that we might stall here, see a bit of a retracement, and then drop back down south again. So even though I'm looking to sell the Aussie Canadian dollar, right now I'm going to go ahead and stand aside on that particular setup. And let me go into the New Zealand. I'm going to go to the New Zealand CAD right here. Take a look at this one. Now the 50-minute time frame looks the same. Also looking to sell New Zealand CAD right here. But the problem here is, once again, if I go to the 15, I'm also seeing that the market's moving into an oversold condition, which means that we could have a little bounce. Market might move down another 10, maybe even 15 pips, but it's not really giving us the full potential that we need in order to be able to grab our 20 pip profit. So I'm going to hold off on the New Zealand CAD as well, just because it looks like it's moved quite a bit already. Now, let's go to the US dollar CAD. Take a look at the US dollar CAD right here. Now, US dollar CAD, we have currently right now, we're looking to also, I think yesterday we did this too. We sold the US dollar CAD. And we probably want to continue selling it. Let's take a look over here. Let me make sure about that. I'm not sure if we did sell. By the way, you can follow all our trades inside our Telegram channel right here. Here's the Telegram channel. You can see all the trades that we've gone ahead and placed. Thank you for that one person that gone ahead and smashed the like button right here on our Telegram signals. Listen, yeah, you can hold. You can just go ahead and hold this. Oh, there we go. We're getting more likes. Fantastic. Okay, we're getting some more likes. Good. Keep it coming. Come on. Smash that like button on that on the Telegram channel. If you're watching these signals, you're getting all these. Show your appreciation. We've got over 676 people in this room following these signals. and yet we only get like 7 likes. Are you kidding me? Don't you appreciate what we're doing here? All right, come on now. All right, here we go. Smash the like buttons on these things. So, hey, listen here. This is the way we can monitor the engagement that we're going ahead and posting. We've seen 350 to 400 people seeing those likes or seeing those signals. Show some appreciation. Let us know, because that's how we gauge our engagement, or at least that's how we monitor our engagement. Anyway, here we go. Here's the signals that we took just recently right here. So we closed the euro. Let's just take a look at where the trade is. So these are all the euro trades. There we go. Oh, so we did sell the US dollar CAD yesterday. All right, we sold the US dollar CAD yesterday. Took 2 positions to get in on that. So, all right, good. I like to sell, but what I don't like is that the market's already moving. Now, we got in on a sell because we looked at the market like this. We said that there is a wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're decided to go ahead and sell at the top here, expecting price to move down to the 5th wave. Now, if I look at the oscillator, we are coming off this right here. So it looks like maybe a US dollar CAD might want to push up a little higher. So I'm a little reluctant to want to go ahead and look to sell that right now. That's the 15. The 1 hour also looks like, yep, look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also showing that we could see some sort of correction move in the US dollar CAD right here. So let me see here. The 4 hour. 4 hour shows that we've got this this ascending triangle, and we did break out the upside right here, broke up above that consolidation. Price is coming back down to retest the support. Let me see here. The oscillator is showing negative divergence. A lot of conflicting signals. I don't see the market completing that swing yet, which makes me believe that price might want to come back below this consolidation support level right here. Well, it's actually resistance, past resistance, now becoming support. So there's a couple of things that, and I'm going to be honest with you. Sometimes there's just not going to be a trade that we want to go ahead and take on, all right? Sometimes we're going to just go ahead and say, you know what, just not going to go ahead and trade that, all right? And this might be that one of those days. So let's take a look and see what else we've got here. Let's go to Euro US dollar. And Euro US dollar right here. This is the 4 hour. We've got the wave 1. So remember, we did complete that wave 5 right here. And so we're looking for price to move back up again. And so we did start buying on the euro right here. So, but I want to go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame. This is the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minute. 50 minutes showing actually a lot of resistance at the top right here. So, honestly speaking, here is our wave 1. And we are in a wave 3 right here. Now, the one thing that bothers me a little bit about this is that, well, it doesn't bother me. It's just like the opportunity becomes a lot less. See here? If price starts pulling back, it's going to come back to retest that level. And that gives us about, actually that's 30 pips. We got negative divergence here. So there could be a 20 pip dip right here, despite of the big strong move that we're getting currently right now. If you look at the daily time frame, it's been a very strong bullish move on this right here. So there's no doubt that we're in a strong bullish rally on the euro US dollar. But the market's going to wave, right? It's going to wave in these different swings. So if I look at the 15 right here, I'm seeing price looking for a short-term dip right here. All right. Now, if price goes up a little higher, we can go ahead and trade it again and look for that dip again. But there's one thing that's clear to us is that we are looking for a euro US dollar to correct itself. So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and play that correction. So I'm going to go ahead and sell euro US dollar right here. Now, once again, traders, you can see that I've gone ahead and entered the market right now on the euro US dollar, and I went ahead and sold. Using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool makes my trading a lot easier because I've already set all the parameters in, and all I've got to go ahead and do is just go ahead and sell or buy, and it manages my trade. So make sure you check out the starter member in our Traders Network Club website. The starter member, you get the tool, what I use, get the tool, you get all our trade signals that you can use the tool to follow those trade signals on your own manually. So you're in control of which trades you want to take. You're in control of exactly how you want to manage your risk. Everything is all up to you. Now, there it is. So we're currently in right now and looking for a little short correction move on the euro US dollar. Let's go take a look, see what else we got here. Let's go to let's go back to the Aussie right here. Take a look at the Aussie CAD. Now, remember I said to you the Aussie CAD looks like we're heading towards the oversold, but look at the 15-minute time frame right here. You can see that little bounce that I was worried about right here. Now, that's a bounce. That's why I never wanted to go ahead and sell the Aussie. Now, if the Aussie goes ahead and pulls back up a little bit right here, all right, because this could be a nice little swing that's forming right here. If we have a nice little pullback, this could be a nice little sell here on the Aussie CAD, all right? Right now, I'm just not going to do that because we are looking to sell at resistance and buy at support. And if I draw up a trend line right here, I mean, if I really bring it up tight here against the bodies of the candles, you can see right here, we're right at that support level. So I would prefer to see the market break through that support, come back and retest the backside, and then look to want to go ahead and sell the Aussie CAD. I'm going to go ahead and stand aside on this one right here for that reason. And then the New Zealand CAD, I think we got the same scenario here. If I look at the New Zealand CAD right here, again, we want to sell resistance and buy support. And if I look over here, look at that support that we're holding up over here. So the market's holding that support, not a good idea to want to go ahead and look to sell that. Now, clearly, I'd love to see a break of that. I'd love to see a break of that and I'd like to see price moving through that level so we can go ahead and look to capture profit as we start to sell on the rallies and look for it to continue to dip down south. So we're looking for something like this where price goes ahead and breaks through, comes back, retests, and then that would be a good place to go look to sell the market. Are we there? No. So let's apply some discipline here and not go ahead and trade that trade. Let's go ahead and take a look at our US dollar CAD position that we were looking at right here. Now, open up the 15-minute right here. And just like I mentioned right here, is that we're seeing US dollar CAD right here, all right, indicating that we've got that wave 1, 2, 3 down here. This is 4. And we might be heading into a bit of a zigzag correction move. Yeah, looks like a little bit of resistance right here. So we'd like to sell at that point. So the market could, now I use the words could because everything is showing that way. We could move up towards this area. Now we could say, let's go ahead and buy this. But the thing is, we're going to be caught up in the wrong side of the trend right here. Let's take a look and see how much the market can move up if it does move up towards these lows right here. Let's go ahead and pull in this. Okay, so we got 32 pips. Now I don't have positive divergence here. I don't see positive divergence here, but there's a good chance we could see about a 30 pip rally. Good chance you could see a 30 pip rally right here. Let me go take a look at the bigger picture. Excuse me. Daily. Daily engulfing the previous candle. Huge overboard. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour says, yep, indecision here. You know what, traders? Let's get crazy. We're going to go ahead and buy, looking for a 20 pip rally. Now, I'll be honest with you. That 20 pips, let's go back to the 15. That's about as max what we can get out of this right here. The market could also just take out the high. And that's about 20 pips right here as well. So that's not a bad idea to go ahead and look for a quick 20 pip profit on this. You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to follow my swing. Now, this might be against the current position we have on the trade copier, because I think we're selling on the trade copier. But I'm going to trade a buy. I'm going to take a buy on the US dollar CAD, and I'm going to look for a 20 pip grab on this. That's it. I'm chasing after the highs you can see over here, chasing after the high, and I'm going to expect the market to go ahead and take out that high. That's all I want to do, is take out that high right here. So I'm looking for that correction move to take out the high. Oscillator looks like it wants to push north. Everything seems like the correction. Now, I want to make sure everyone's clear on this. This is a corrective move. If I'm wrong, all right, the market could push down lower. So what I want to do is I want to look and see, all right, if I'm wrong, where can price drop back down to? The price can drop back down to this level right here. I'm going to go ahead and mark it off. And that would mean that I would be getting in possibly on a second entry point. All right, so this is the counter offer, right? This is the counter move. If I'm wrong, then what's going to happen is the market's going to do this. It's going to drop back down south. We're going to probably pick up a new trade, and then it's going to come back up again, and then it's going to target that fourth wave higher up here. So whether we make profit on our first trade entering along to go for that retracement, or we get in on the second trade and the market goes back up, either way, I believe we should make our 20 net pip profit on this trade, because we're going to be able to look at both scenarios. One, the market takes off and goes there. Two, the market has a deeper correction move or deeper move down south, then has a deep corrective move, and that's where we're going to go ahead and take a profit. So this is about saying, I want to participate in the market. I'm going to go ahead and put my trades out there, participate in the market. I do see the wave structure. This is the wave structure that I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating price to create this wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And if it's a zigzag, good. If it's a downward fifth wave first and then it's a correction move, that's also fine with me right there. Either way, we're making money. So correct now. So this is the structure, and just so that everyone understands, this is the structure that I'm looking for. If the structure breaks, then we always have to look at the alternative. Now, what would be a structure break? A structure break would be that if price moves down to my 1.618 here, if this that I believe the market may do does not happen, and price moves down to this level right here, then I would probably be looking to enter on a third entry point right here, then looking at a correction move that will not go higher than this level, and that's where I'll go ahead and take my profit before the market turns around and heads back down south again. So remember, traders, this is war, and I'm not talking about the war on Ukraine. This is war between the bulls and the bears, and we've got to have a good strategic plan before entering the market. Now, having a good plan doesn't necessarily mean just the way you enter the market. Having a good plan would also mean how you manage your trade as well. So make sure that you check your risk management strategy and apply that to your trades and every trade, and stay consistent, because in order to be consistent in taking profits, you've got to be consistent in not only taking trades, but also managing your risk as well. Consistency is what makes traders successful over long periods of time. So be consistent with what you do. Traders, that's the trades that we're in right now. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap over here. And you can see that our US dollar CAD trade has gone slightly. It's starting to go a little red against us. That's okay. We have our plan. We're in on the euro US dollar right now, and we are long euro US dollar, which means we're expecting some weakness out of US dollar. If the US dollar does not weaken, or let's say the euro strengthens so strong, we'll probably enter more trades. So we're in on the euro, we're in on the US dollar CAD, and we are currently in on the CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss looks like we're just about to go ahead and take some profit on that. So you should see a Telegram message coming up pretty soon saying that we've gone ahead and profited on the CAD Swiss. Those are the trades we're in, my friends. Let's see how this plays out. We'll see everyone back again tomorrow, same time, same place. Don't forget to smash the like button like there is no other business other than what we're doing right now. So smash the like button and focus on what we're doing right now. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see everyone back again tomorrow. Don't forget to also make sure that you click the notification bell so that when you subscribe, click the notification bell so when we go live, you know exactly when that is taking place. Hey guys, love you, love the support. Thank you very much for your support. Really appreciate that. This is the FxBigDog signing off.